guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making this delicious homemade ranch recipe in our Ninja Foodi blender. Keep in mind, if you do have a regular blender, you can do this as well. Just make sure you mix until all of the ingredients are incorporated, which is about 1 to 2 minutes. So we're going to be making this delicious homemade ranch in our Ninja Foodi blender. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi blender recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. Let me know in the comments what you guys want me to make next. And if you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. I will have the links for everything I use in the video. But let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so what we're going to need today is a half cup of mayo, a half cup of sour cream, a half cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of dill weed, and this is dried dill weed. You'll also need half a teaspoon of parsley, and a half teaspoon of dried chives, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. You'll also need juice of half of a lime. So I used my little nifty juicer here, and I just took the juice from half of a lime. Now, all we're going to have to do is mix all of the ingredients together. So let's go ahead and do just that. Let me get my spatula. I'm going to add our sour cream. Okay. Our mayonnaise. We're going to add our milk, and you can add less milk or lemon juice depending on the consistency that you're going for. So I'm adding the juice of half of my lemon. I said lime, I meant lemon. We're going to add our seasonings here. And our chives. Seal it. Turn on our blender, and we're going to blend on high. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a closer look. Alright, there's our ranch. It smells just like it, so go ahead and pour some in here. Alright. Oh, that is really good. Delicious. And that's just a quick way to make ranch dressing in the Ninja Foodi blender. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi blender recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. Let me know in the comments what you guys want me to make next. But until next time, you guys have a great night.